Buckle up, car fam, because the 2024 BMW i5 is here to redefine electric luxury sedans. From its potent performance to its tech-laden interior, the i5 promises an electrifying blend of driving thrills and cutting-edge comfort. So hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the details. And performance. Untreated powertrain options. Chancha with a single rear motor producing 335 HP and 295 lb-FDF torque, or the MES60 xDrive with dual motors cranking out a whopping 535 HP and 605 lb-ft of torque. Experience exhilarating 0-60 mph times, as low as 3.3 seconds for the MES60 xDrive, leaving gas guzzlers in the dust. Both models boast impressive ranges, with the xDrive 40 traveling up to 295 miles and the MES60 xDrive managing 240 miles on a single charge. Actional all-wheel drive. The MES60 xDrive offers all-wheel drive for enhanced grip and handling in any weather conditions. Animation Psych. Kidney grille gets a bolder, wider treatment, while sleek headlights and sculpted lines give the E5 a dynamic and elegant presence. After colors that express your personality with a range of stylish exterior colors, including alpine white, sapphire black. Curtains and spoiler aerodynamic elements optimize efficiency and range, while adding a touch of sporty flair. And exterior. Encarta display takes center stage and the sweeping infotainment system and digital instrument cluster, creating a futuristic and driver-focused cockpit. NP with soft leather, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting to set the perfect mood. Spacious and comfortable. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the backseat, the i5 offers ample legroom and headroom for a relaxed journey. Let the sunshine in and enjoy the open-air feeling with the optional panoramic sunroof. Technology. Perrier System 8.4 TAT. This latest system allows you to control everything from climate to navigation with just a few taps or voice commands. Bayside, keep your eyes on the road while staying informed with the optional head-up display, projecting key information onto the windshield. Advanced Driver Assistance System. Take a step closer to autonomous driving with features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and even optional hands-free driving at up to 85 mph. And price. The 2024 BMW i5 is already available in some markets, with prices starting around $67,795 for the eDrive 40 and $85,095 for the MES60 xDrive. Annually on the Crestic. The 2024 BMW i5 is a compelling choice for drivers seeking a luxurious, powerful, and technologically advanced electric sedan. Its impressive range, exhilarating performance, and opulent interior make it a true contender in the ever-evolving EV landscape. If you're ready to experience the future of BMW, the i5 is waiting for you. Remember, this is just a template. Feel free to add your own insights, comparisons with other electric sedans, or personal experiences to make the script even more engaging. Let's keep the conversation rolling and the electric revolution roaring.